Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel once again. Thanks for tuning in today to watch our video. If today is the first time here and you like my content, do not hesitate to subscribe. In today's video we are reviewing mannequin hair. So on this channel we do more of reviews, okay? So if you like it, please subscribe to this channel. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate your effort. So let's get to today's video. I got this $27.99 and it is from Union Beauty. Okay, it is from Union Beauty, so it is $27.99 and you can use the 6% coupon as well for you to get it affordable, more affordable. Okay, it is affordable already. So when you apply the coupon, the price is going to reduce. This mannequin will help you to practice at home. It can help you to do hairstyles, braiding, and a lot of things. Okay, so I got this with a stand and I will leave you here to enjoy the rest of the video whilst I practice with it. I don't know how to braid cornrow, okay, so we are going to try with this and see if I can do that. I want to try, okay, so let's get into the video. Thanks once again. So now let's start our tutorials. As I said earlier, I don't know how to braid cornrow, so we are doing this together. Please, just to show you that if you use this to practice at home, as time goes on, you'll be perfect. So today is the first time I'm trying this, and let's do it together. I am not here to teach you how to braid cornrow, please. I'm here to show you that when you use the mannequin hair for practice at home, you will be perfect as time goes on. Enjoy the rest of the video. Look at that, look at that. We made it. Yes, not that I know how to do this and I'm faking, okay? If you ask my sister at Cosbless GH, she will testify to this. I don't know how to braid cornrow. Anyone who is very close to me knows that I don't know how to braid cornrow, but that is the hair that fits me so well, but I don't know how to braid it. Okay, it is not my fault. I did not learn this thing. It is just a gift, and mine is that when I feel like doing the hair, when I feel like braiding, that is where I can do it so well. So if I'm not in the mood and you tell me to braid your hair for you or you force me, I can't do it. Yes, and there is no way I can learn from someone. Not that I've not tried, but I can't. I didn't learn it. It's a gift. So let's say if someone is braiding right now and I want the person to teach me, my dear, I can't. Or I want to copy. Okay, I won't say copy. If I want to learn from the person, I can't. Unless I would just stand up and say, I feel like doing this, then I do it. Sometimes I would just be dozing and I will see styles, then I do it. But for me to learn, I can't. It is a gift. I did not learn it, so that is how I did this. So today I just felt like braiding the cornrow, so I decided to practice with this. So I think as time goes on, if I continue doing it, I'll be perfect. Yes, it's a good attempt, We all did it together. Yes. Thanks once again, and let's continue with our tutorials. I didn't know if you say everybody. It looks beautiful. I'm so happy. It was just yesterday that I was telling someone to take me to a place so that I can braid my cornrow, because when I'm doing it on my head, because I don't know how to braid, I struggle. Me chinchim tata to be, then I go my way. I just do it some rough way. Then I wear my net and wear my wig. That is it. I think we did it. You can see that we did it together. Yes, we did it. Let's get to the next hairstyle. We will be using the cornrow to crochet our butterfly locks. Okay, stay tuned. You can see that this one too looks very beautiful. Okay, let's get to the next hairstyle.